Hey people, so it's like as of today would be yesterday that from Jubilee bus stand to MGBS Mahatma Gandhi bus station. I mean that route is open. So my little brat and me are planning to go probably on our train ride, and recording in a crowded metro train is not practical, so I thought I might as well record now. And this morning, for the first time since I set up my channel, it's been 2 years, right? So I was sitting in like binge watching certain these videos that I made in the first, I don't know, first 6 months of, or whatever, the first 3 months of being on, starting my channel. And I realized, yeah, you could, if nothing else, one can sense the sincerity of the person. And more importantly, every tip, I was big on life tips in the start of my channel. I used to speak about these things I've learned in life, and so I found it quite like I was watching it as a detached viewer, not like, so I think I should start those series again, because all of us in our lives, we there are certain things that we learn. So if only we can capture it and put it into this 1 minute long video, so many people can benefit from it. The reason I'm saying this is, when my mom was alive, she was one of the most wise people I knew. So now that it's been 5 years since we've lost her, and even now on an everyday basis, when there's pilfering happening, the cook is, so taking away stuff without our presuming that we don't know of it. So how is one to deal with such a situation? Is it sometimes turning a blind eye is the only thing that, since my dad lives alone, and so that's why cooking, the skill is so important. When I'm by myself, I cook and I enjoy the whole process. So anyway, people, so this is almost a 2 minute long video, and this is my little guy, my son. Everybody, I've had 3 people ask me that they want to watch videos that have this little boy in it. So thank you, Ayush, for coming in my videos. You're the little superstar, and you're blowing bubbles right now. So yeah, this is like a long video, but I just felt I had to make it. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please
subscribe and do the bell.
Yes. So thanks, people. Bye.
Bye bye.